Lithuanian scout drone adds early warning against interceptors. A Lithuanian drone maker has given its battle-tested reconnaissance aircraft a built-in early warning system against the exact threat that has been shooting down surveillance drones across Eastern Europe's front lines, and the company says every unit rolling off its production line already has the upgrade installed. Unmanned Defense Systems, a Vilnius-based defense technology company known by its acronym UDS, announced new capability upgrades to its FORECASTER intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance platform, commonly referred to by the military acronym ISTAR. UDS said the improvements were built directly from operational feedback and continuous development, positioning them as upgrades to what the company calls a battle-validated platform rather than untested laboratory features. The most consequential addition is integrated radio frequency-based drone detection, a system that continuously monitors the radio frequency spectrum to spot nearby unmanned aircraft activity and warn operators of a potential aerial threat before it closes in, along with recommended response actions. UDS said this capability directly targets one of the defining dangers facing reconnaissance drones on today's front lines: the growing use of first-person view interceptor drones specifically built to hunt down and destroy other drones, a threat that has forced reconnaissance drone manufacturers across the industry to treat survivability against aerial interception as seriously as survivability against traditional ground-based air defense. Integrated RF-based drone detection, continuously monitoring the radio frequency spectrum to detect nearby UAV activity and provide operators with early warning of potential aerial threats, along with recommended response actions. This helps reduce the risk posed by hostile drones and significantly improves platform survivability, addressing one of the major challenges on today's front lines, UDS said. The second major update lets operators fly missions from considerably safer physical locations while still maintaining complete control over the aircraft. UDS built this remote mission operation capability around Swarm C2, the company's proprietary command and control software layer designed to coordinate multiple unmanned platforms simultaneously across a battlefield, letting an operator remotely access and fully control a FORECASTER mission from essentially anywhere in the world rather than needing to remain physically close to the launch site. Remote mission operation, allowing operators to conduct missions from significantly safer positions while maintaining full control of the aircraft. Through Swarm C2, operators can now remotely access and fully control missions from anywhere in the world. By increasing the distance between the crew and the launch site, operators can work from safer positions in high-threat environments, UDS said. That distance matters enormously given how launch sites themselves have become targets in modern drone warfare, where an enemy tracking a drone's flight path can sometimes work backward to locate and strike the crew operating it. Separating the operator from the physical launch location removes one of the more dangerous exposure points in an otherwise remote reconnaissance mission, letting ground crews handle the physical launch while the actual mission control happens from a position the enemy cannot easily target. FORECASTER fits into a broader ecosystem UDS has built around what the company calls a full kill chain concept, integrating the reconnaissance platform with Avenger 5, the company's precision loitering munition, through the same Swarm C2 coordination layer, alongside compatibility with the widely used tactical assault kit and seat-aware battlefield management systems. UDS demonstrated that integrated workflow, moving from target acquisition through coordination to strike execution and full battlefield awareness reporting, during the Lithuanian Armed Forces exercise Karos Soklis 2026, validating the concept in a real operational environment rather than purely in company testing. Founded in May 2022, UDS has grown from a startup pursuing an ambitious end-to-end drone ecosystem into a company with combat-proven products actively used by both Lithuania's own military and its police forces. The Lithuanian military police has integrated UDS drone technology into its intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations, describing the systems as consistently effective in challenging environments where other equipment has struggled, according to company statements. UDS has also separately fielded its Blaster 4 first-person view drone, which completed serial qualification testing and is now being delivered directly to Ukrainian military units, giving the company genuine frontline validation for at least part of its broader product lineup beyond FORECASTER alone. UDS emphasized that these upgrades are not a one-time revision, but part of a continuous development cycle the company applies to every new production batch. Continuous platform and mission software enhancements, further improving operational effectiveness and resilience in contested environments, UDS said. That framing reflects a broader philosophy UDS has built its manufacturing approach around, treating the gap between a drone leaving the factory and lessons learned on an active battlefield as something to close continuously rather than address only when a formal new model launches. UDS confirmed the newly announced upgrades are already integrated into FORECASTER units currently being delivered, meaning customers receiving aircraft now get the same RF detection and remote operation capabilities the company just publicly detailed, rather than waiting for a future production run. At Unmanned Defense Systems, development doesn't stop when production begins. Operational feedback is continuously integrated into every new production batch, ensuring every FORECASTER delivered reflects the latest validated engineering improvements, UDS said.